Hello everyone, it's a real pleasure to be here with you, and I'm really thrilled about this Moodle course. And today my first tutorial will be on how to use the rich editor for Moodle. Um, it really looks like many other text editors, so it's kind of simple and very intuitive to use. First thing you do once you have your discussion topic, you type a subject. For example, rich editor. It's a good one. Rich editor. And then you have here your toolbar. Your toolbar can be, if you start and you want something pretty basic, you just click on the toggle bar and you will have only one line with the basic functions: bold, italics, paragraph formatting, bullets, numbers, if you want to add links, a picture, an emoticon, a video, or if you want to embed something. Okay, but if you click on the toggle button, then you have many more functions. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to paste here a little text that I found on the internet about the joys of teaching. After all, we are teachers, and it's a very joyful activity and very rewarding activity. So here I have my text is quite plain, but if I want to have a different kind of formatting for the text, I can put it on the left where it is. I can put it in the center where it looks a little better, or I can put it to the right. Okay, these are the align buttons here. Okay, if I want, let's put it, okay, here I have an undo button, which is very practical if I feel I made a mistake. Okay, if I want to highlight something, I have different possibilities. I can put it in bold. For example, I want to I want to highlight that our profession is one of the most rewarding jobs there is. So I can highlight it by putting it bold. That's one possibility. I can otherwise put it in italics. I can have both or just one. It depends on what I want. I can also highlight it by putting it here on this little felt pen here. Okay, I will have a background for it. Or I can also simply change the color of the font like this. I can also change the size of the font here, like put it bigger, and changing even the font if I want. Why not? Here, what about a Georgia? I like Georgia. It's beautiful. Okay, so that's different ways to edit a part of your text. Okay, but let's get back to the normal. Let's imagine that I want different paragraphs. So here I'm going to make paragraphs for every new sentence, just for the sake of the demonstration. Here I can, if I select it, I can choose to have bullets, or I can choose to have numbers on this. I can, of course, if I want to, so that's the basic for the formatting. But, oh no, going back to the formatting of the the text, I have the choice also. I can underline with the U, or I can strike the text if I don't like it. Okay, but I want to keep it. I don't like it, but I want to keep it. I can also change the position. This is more interesting if you're working with math and things like that, I guess, but you can put it subscript or you can put it superscript. Okay, let's get back to the normal, like this, and okay. The other thing, if I think that my text is a little bold or a little boring, sorry, I can of course put a nice little emoticon if I know exactly what they represent for my readers, of course. What about a light, a little wink? Now, just let's get a very classic smile. Okay. If I want, I can also insert a picture, a photograph that I have. I have the choice. If I want to insert an image, I can find an image on the internet if I had the URL, or I can upload an image from my computer, like this one, for example. I choose the file on my computer. I choose a nice little picture here. Oh, I love Snoopy, so it's going to be good. Up like this, and I wait. Once I'm okay with it, save as Snoopy flies. Sorry, I love flying. Upload. Here we go. Oh, sorry, okay, I'm going to overwrite because I had trained for this. Insert. And yes, I'm going to continue. Okay. Okay, so here I have a very big picture. It looks very big when I'm here, but of course after I can work on it to make it smaller. Okay, if I don't want a picture, let me undo this. Okay, I can't undo the picture. So, okay. Yeah, okay, undo, and I have no more picture. I can also insert a video from my computer, or I have other options here. I can get them on YouTube, on Wikimedia. There are lots of different possibilities. Let me choose one. I love this one. A little bird that's okay. Save as Woody laughs. A little laughter doesn't hurt. Here, upload. Takes a little while, but not a problem. Okay, and I can view it to make sure that's the one I want. Yeah. Okay, it's the one I want. Insert. And here you have the link to the video. Okay. Of course, there are more functions to this Rich editor. That's why maybe it's called Rich. For example, if you want to insert special characters because you want to talk about copyright, or you want to talk about money, you will find these symbols, and of course many more symbols on the on the Omega button. If you want to insert a table, no problem. Just click on the table, choose the number of columns you want. Let's say I want 3 columns on 5 rows. And here I can insert my table, and I can play with its size. And after that, I will put a content, A, B, C, D. Okay. And here we go. It's easy. I'm going to remove the table. What else? Okay. If you have a long text and you don't remember where the word is, for example, I can try to find potential here. I find the text. Oh, couldn't find it. Strange, because I'm sure it's in my text. Oh, sorry. I didn't select the text. Maybe that's why. So you have the search, and replace. And of course you can change the size. You also, if you're in math, you have the possibility to write your formulas, I guess, but my thing is languages, not math, so I'm not going to demonstrate this one. Okay, so all that was the different features that you can have. Oh, I forgot one. Sorry. If you want to add a link to a site, okay, you highlight the word where, or the string of words where you want to put a link. Let's say if I wanted to link this to the Moodle here, so here, and I add a link, and here is the URL of the link. I have a choice to open in this window or in another window, which makes it easier for my students to stay on the same place. And finally, yeah, I guess that's it. To cancel because I don't want this, and I hope this was useful. For me it's a very nice tool. I hope you enjoy it. Have a good time, and bye bye.